How many times have you said, I can't speak English? Maybe today, or yesterday, or even this morning. The truth is, that simple sentence is stopping your success. Right now, English is not about talent. It's about habit, mindset, and the actions you take every single day. Today, I will show you exactly what to do instead of saying I can't. By the end of this video, you will know the step-by-step method to speak English confidently, even if you are a complete beginner. Common mistakes people make. Most people fail in English, not because they are not smart, but because of three very common mistakes. The first mistake, fear of making mistakes. Many people think, if they make a mistake, others will judge them. But the truth is, everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. The second mistake, waiting for perfect grammar. You might think, I will speak only when I know everything perfectly. This thinking stops you before you even start. The third mistake, comparing yourself to others. You see someone fluent and think, I'll never be like them. Comparison steals your confidence. Let me tell you a story. I knew a student who couldn't even order food in English. Fast forward a few months, they were speaking confidently in meetings. What changed? They stopped waiting and started acting. Key point, the problem is not you. The problem is your habit of saying, I can't. Change your mindset. Now, let's talk about mindset. Your words shape your reality. Saying I can't makes your brain believe it. Instead, say, I am learning English, and I will improve every day. Let's create some daily affirmations together. I am confident in English. Every mistake is a step forward. I speak English more every day. Here's a real story. A student from Pakistan practiced just 5 minutes daily. After 3 months, they were speaking confidently with foreigners. Small steps, repeated consistently, create big results. I want you to repeat these affirmations with me. Say it out loud. I am confident in English. I will improve every day. Notice how saying it makes you feel a little stronger? This is the power of mindset. Actionable methods to speak English. Now, it's time for action. Here are 3 simple methods you can start today. Method 1. Speak from day 1. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Use simple sentences first. Practice with apps, friends, or even by speaking to yourself in the mirror. Method 2. Listen and repeat. Watch English videos, podcasts, or movies. Repeat sentences out loud. Even repeating subtitles while watching movies can improve your accent and fluency in weeks. Method 3. Think in English. Stop translating from your native language. Describe your surroundings in English. For example, I see a blue car. I hear birds singing. I am happy today. Do these exercises every day, and your fluency will grow faster than you think. Overcoming fear and mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. No one is judging you as much as you think. Let me share some funny examples. Someone once said, I am boring my English. They meant, I am learning English. We laughed, but it didn't stop them from practicing. Real life story. A famous CEO once made a mistake in an English meeting. Everyone laughed, but he learned, and now he speaks fluently. I want you to do the same. Don't fear mistakes. Embrace them. Here's a challenge for you. Pause. In the comments, write one English mistake you made. This will help you see mistakes are normal and everyone has them. Build a daily English habit. To speak English fluently, you need a daily habit. Here's a simple plan. 1. Speak 5 minutes every day. 2. Listen to 10 new English sentences. 3. Write 5 sentences in English. 4. Repeat your affirmations every morning. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Doing a little every day is better than doing nothing at all. I challenge you. Start today. Practice these steps. And in 30 days, you will see amazing progress. Wrap up and inspirational close. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. 1. Stop saying I can't. 2. Change your mindset. 3. Take consistent action every day. English is not a skill for the few. It's a habit for those who act. Start today. Speak today. Improve today. If you are ready to stop saying I can't, hit the like button, subscribe, and start practicing now. Remember, small steps. Every day, make big results. You can do this. Yes, you can speak English. See you in the next video.